was a cheerleader with the University of Louisville, and I was able to do that because I am part of the Ultra program that is with the Jefferson Community and Technical College. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but because I was such an athletic person, firefighting kind of just called my name.
The fire science program is paced well enough for anyone who's never even seen a fire truck, never even seen an ambulance, that they can learn what is required of them, get the practice, get the hands-on practice in the school, and then when you do transition into working for a fire department, you actually get to see the knowledge that you learn in the classroom.
With the additional education that you have with this program, it gives you more of an edge. You can get promoted a lot quicker than anyone that's hired on the street, and you have such a lot more knowledge and skills when you come in more prepared.
Morally, I know that I am doing something good, that my entire career is helping those who genuinely need help, who are in danger. It's very much like someone is having an emergency, they call 911, and I am there to help them. It's not about me anymore. I know that I can go home and I did something good for somebody else.
Being able to not only rescue victims and see that you've made their day a lot better just by rescuing them, saving their lives or doing the little things that is important to them, but it's also rewarding because you get to push through your fears, challenges as an individual that you really didn't think you'd be able to do. This job and this program really does offer lots of challenges for you to push through, and that's super rewarding for me.
I would highly encourage anybody who doesn't know what they want to do. They want to take some of those skills and transition into something they can do for a career. This is the perfect opportunity to get that start.